Knock, knock. Who's there? It's me, Fasayo, with the World Cultural Events and Celebrations for the week of October 19th to October 25th. Monday, October 20th is Diwali, the Hindu festival of lights. It celebrates the triumph of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Tuesday, October 21st, there is a new moon shown at 8:25 a.m. The new moon symbolizes new beginnings, renewal, and fresh starts. Thursday, October 23rd is Bhai Dooj. It is a Hindu holiday celebrated by brothers and sisters to honor their bond. The festival involves sisters offering prayers for their long life and return. Brothers give their sisters gifts and vow to protect them. Be sure to celebrate your brothers and sisters. Saturday, October 25th, is National Make a Difference Day. It is a day dedicated to show how even the smallest actions can foster substantial change in society. And that's all for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Smash that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.